In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a studio condenser microphone kit from MAONO. Now before we get started, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, do all the other YouTube stuff, it helps the channel continue to grow. Also, stop by our channel and look around, we've got loads of other product reviews. Now let's get started. This kit basically includes everything you'll need to get started, either as like a podcaster, or maybe if you want to record vocals or an instrument. For $65, this kit includes the condenser microphone, a microphone cable, a pop filter, a shock mount cage for your microphone, as well as a stand to hold your microphone onto like a table or desk. All of these components are really well made, and the packaging is actually really nice that it comes in. This box in general and the way that it's all packaged is very nice. So for $65, what you're getting is pretty incredible. Now this kit does mean that you'll need some sort of a recording interface in order to get your microphone signal into your computer software to record your source. So it isn't everything that you'll need to record, but it is most of what you'll need to record. You should also be aware that this microphone requires 48 volts phantom power. So that's basically just a feature that you want to look into for the interface that you might be purchasing. Now most interfaces come with 48 volt phantom power. So the interface I'm going to be using is a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, which has phantom power to power the microphone. Now, since it's a condenser microphone and not a dynamic microphone, it's going to pick up more details of your voice than maybe like a regular Shure SM58 would. So I definitely recommend the condenser microphone configuration for recording vocals, you know, like I said, either podcast or for vocals, especially singing. I'll do a little spoken word into the mic so you can hear me just talking into it. I will not torture you with singing because I'm not a vocalist, but I will play a couple different instruments at it. I think I might pick up my trumpet and a little acoustic guitar to give you an idea of how this microphone sounds. So let's take a listen and see what the mic sounds like. All right, so here's what the microphone sounds like, just spoken word directly into it. I took a little test and then listened back to the audio just to make sure that everything was going in clearly, and I was kind of shocked at how good the microphone really does sound. You're getting a really clear representation of my source, of my voice. I think you're capturing a very reasonable amount of details. Pop filter is super important for spoken word singing. This is like mandatory because of those plosives. So when you say anything that has a P in it, that runs the risk of basically that impact is going to hit your diaphragm of the microphone too hard. So you need a filter to basically knock that down so that when you say, you know, Peter, Piper, whatever, you know, it doesn't make the microphone clip and distort and then wreck your recording. So pop filters are nothing fancy, but you know they're extremely effective. So for the price, I'm pretty astonished at how good this microphone sounds. Everything that you're getting the pop filter, the stand, the mic cable, the cage, which is a universal cage, so you could even use that with another microphone. This is important as well because you need to make sure you're isolating your microphone. You don't want to be picking up, you know, extra room noise or you know, the ground. You know, if you've got it on the mic stand, you want it to be isolated. So the only piece of equipment that I'm using here that's not included is my interface. Like I said, I'm using a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. You can get these probably under $100 used now on eBay. So, you know, just shop around. I'm recording directly into my DAW. I use Digital Performer. It doesn't really matter because I'm not using any processing. There is no high pass filtering going on here, no EQ whatsoever. It's just my voice directly into the mic, recorded, spit out, and then matched with the video recorded over there. So I'm going to grab a guitar and my trumpet, and we're going to check out how this sounds on a couple different sources. But so far, I think on spoken word, it's performing quite well.
Phew.